In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT for study notes. So let's get straight into the video. So the best way to go ahead and utilize your ChatGPT is going to be by feeding it your notes first. So simply go ahead and click on the plus icon, click on upload photos or files. Let's just say I'm going to feed this little presentation that I have for my college. Okay, I'm going to simply go ahead and upload it. Now, what I'm going to do is write a prompt that is going to go ahead and help me make sure that I can study and learn. Okay, so what I can do is simply go ahead and write a similar prompt. You can also just pause the video and check out my prompt, right? So here is a prompt I've pasted. I'm going to get rid of the commas on top. So explain this topic in simple, beginner-friendly terms with an everyday analogy. I'm preparing for an exam and need to grasp the basics first. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead and do business, okay? Now, all I'm going to do is click on send. It is going to take all the information from this right over here, and then it is going to go ahead and explain everything right over here with everyday analogy. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.